Hey y'all, today we're gonna be reviewing a wig from this company called Remy Forte. So here's a quick look at what the wig looked like outside of the box. As you can see, the lace is looking so good up against my skin. And let's show the inside of the hair. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love the inside of this wig. Whatever they sew this wig onto, it's amazing. It doesn't have any clips in it, which is a bummer. Well, I didn't really need them anyway, so I guess it's not a bummer. And it comes with a strap, but the strap is not inside of it. I'm gonna put it in there in a few. And this is what the wig look like. It's 24 inches and the color is so gorgeous. So I don't have any tiny braids on the hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on so I could get started on this wig. So I decided to do a ball cap today. I don't know why, don't ask, but I really didn't need to do a ball cap because the wig is not a frontal wig, it's a closure wig. But anyway, we're gonna get into this ball cap. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys. Okay, so now that I'm all done with the ball cap, I put the wig on and I'm gonna go ahead and secure it down. I'm gonna be using gel today because I don't feel like gluing it down. First, I pin the hair behind me and then I'm using my edge wax stick to hold on any flyaway hair that I may have in the front so they don't get into the gel when I'm gelling it down. Yeah, I don't know what kind of lace this is, but as soon as I put the gel on it, it's like the lace disappear into my skin. It's like the ultimate melt if you ask me. That's what happens when you have good lace mixed with the right product to put it on. And I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry the gel down a little bit before tying it down and let it completely dry. I'm using the edge wax stick around the parting to keep the flyaway hair down and make the parting look so much better. I'm also going to rub some of it in my hand and then rub it onto the hair. I'm using a little bit of foundation to brighten up the parting a little bit. This foundation is a lighter shade than my skin, so it's perfect to use. Here I'm just styling the hair how I want it. I'm adding some edge wax stick onto the front of it because I like the front to have a little lift off of, the front of my face when I'm all done. I mean, you'll see what I'm talking about. I don't like it to just fall flat. on the sides. But anyway, that's what I'm doing, and then I'm using my hot comb to smooth it out a little bit. And yeah. Now I'm gonna take out some edges, you know, in the front. I like to do this for some reason. But if this is not something that you like to do, you could definitely go ahead and skip this step. Now I'm going to tie it on those edges to completely dry while I style the rest of the hair. And by style, I mean I'm going to go ahead and give it some curls. I know it comes with curls already, but I like to curl my hair. Oh, I like my curls to fall. Now that I'm all done with these pin curls, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. The hair, the hair, the hair. Give it up for the hair, you guys. I am so in love with this color, the length, and how full it is. Like, this hair is everything right now. Like, look at the back, you guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. I really need to know more about this company because this hair is totally different from these other hair that I've been getting from like China and so on. I need to know more about them. Usually when I get my wig this dense is when I make it myself, and that's one of the things that I really love about this unit. As usual, guys, I'll leave all the information down in the description box so you could check them out if you're interested. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Drop them down in the comments and I will get back to them as soon as I can. I post on Wednesdays and Saturday, but recently I have been posting a lot because I have a lot of videos to come out, so you'll see them coming out in all different days, maybe 3 or so for the week. But yeah, as soon as my schedule picks back up, I will be posting on Wednesdays and Saturdays again. Anyway, guys, I love you all so much. I hope y'all are enjoying your holiday with your friends and family and loved ones. I just want to say a Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!